Federal Reserve drops enforcement action against FTX-Linked U.S. bank. According to the Federal Reserve, Farmington State Bank had winded down operations and no longer functions as a bank following the initial enforcement action. The Federal Reserve Board of the United States announced it terminated an enforcement action against Farmington State Bank, a financial institution tied to the defunct cryptocurrency exchange FTX. In a February 6 statement, the Federal Reserve said, following its July 2023 enforcement action, Farmington had winded down operations and no longer functions as a bank. The Federal Reserve said it terminated its actions against Farmington and its holding company, FBH Corporation. Formerly named Moonstone, Farmington State Bank received roughly $11.5 million from FTX sister firm, Alameda Research, through FBH Corporation in March 2022. The Federal Reserve said in August 2023 that the enforcement action was taken to wind down operations and protect depositors. After the collapse of FTX in November 2022, Farmington said it planned to exit the crypto space to return to its original mission as a community bank. Neither the Federal Reserve enforcement action nor the termination of its action explicitly mentioned FTX or Alameda. On January 31, the Federal Reserve said interest rates would stay at 5.25% to 5.50%. Announcements from the Federal Reserve sometimes correlate with a drop or rise in the price of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.